Do you want to wake up happy and motivated every morning? Do you want to go to bed tired but fulfilled every night? The Mentors Affiliate Program could be a fit for you. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. And in this video, we're going to walk through what you get when you join the Mentors Program. Not only do you get extensive training, you also get an affiliate marketing opportunity where you can earn recurring high commissions on the sales that you refer to the mentors. I take it you're here because you're looking to change your life. Are you struggling with 9 to 5 right now? Are you looking to create something online that generates an income for you? Maybe a side hustle or eventually a full-time online business. Smash like if this is the case and tell me down below what you'd like your channel or your business to be about. In real life business failures, online business failures, I was lost. I was looking for mentors to help me, tell me what to do so that I could do it. And I found the mentors. The mentors gave me step-by-step training how to set up my website, my authority site, how to create funnels and build email lists, and how to grab affiliate marketing links and market them on the internet. I also got community support and guidance in how to find my passions, my expertise, my target audience, and all those things that really is sort of like an internal journey for you. So it's both hands-on when you join the mentors and your own personal development. I've linked free masterclasses down below on my resources page that you could check out so that you can make up your mind yourself if this is a fit for you. I really love the fact that the training is so hands-on and step-by-step. Actually, I retook part of the training today because the mentors have updated their funnels, and the free masterclasses that I've linked down below are also smoking hot, new and fresh. So I had to make a couple of updates to my website and relinking my affiliate marketing links to the mentors. And going through module 5 again was like coming home. I mean, I feel so certain that the mentors is the right fit for me, and I know that they know what they're talking about. So let me ask you this. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Are you an affiliate marketer? Do you have a side hustle or a full-time business online? Where are you financially, relationships, job-wise? Are you feeling fulfilled? Are you working with passion and integrity? If any of your answers are related to online business, the mentors might be a fit for you. Just imagine if you could learn how to sell online, you could have maybe 100 customers paying you $20 a month recurring. That's $2,000 a month. And it's truly passive income because you're setting up all of this once and then it happens automatically. All you need to do is market on your YouTube channel if that's your strategy. So with all that said, if you think the mentors might be a fit for you, if you want to try them out, check out the masterclasses, the workshops down below, and see for yourself. Opt in with your name and email and take it from there. This is the perfect time to do it. The world has never been more ready than this for you to create something fantastic from your passions and your expertise and put it online. So with that said, what do you want to create? Put it in the comments down below. I'm curious to know, and I answer all of the comments on my channel. Smash like if this was valuable to you, and maybe hit subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Now next, watch these videos about how to make money online, how to grow a YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best, good luck, bye!